Okay, I'm getting ready to try to wire this up. There's the two black wires. I guess that white wire is a neutral wire. There's a lot of other wires. That other copper wire is a hot wire when I had the power on, so I'm not sure what that is. Let's see. I took a chance with the wires and I wired them down. And the light's blinking. I know. And then let's see. Just test to make sure the light come on. We'll go from there. Okay. In the back of this, it asks for an in and an out on the black wire. So for this particular one, I did the one with the bare wire hanging out partially. That one is going to here, which is going down. If I'm not mistaken, let me double check. Was it going up? Oh, nope. That's the one that's going down. You see it in the back. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so that one that's going down towards the ground is the L in wire. And the out wire is the one that's going up towards the roof set of wires, which you can hardly see. But it's the ones that are, yeah, if you can see. All right, that's that. Okay, all done. The switch is on and it works perfect. Just tap it. Lights come on. And tap it again. Lights go off. It's real easy to touch. You just touch the whole thing anywhere. It's really cool. I don't like this almond cover. I'm going to have to replace this switch, the fan switch, with a whiter switch to make it match. All done. Oh, and it's also Alexa compatible. So let me show you that part. Alexa, bathroom lights on.
Okay.
Alexa, bathroom lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off bathroom.